The Austrian sheet metal components manufacturer RIKA has once again significantly increased its capacities at its Micheldorf location with a new machine park. During planning, the manufacturer also placed a special focus on the necessary protective welding equipment for its employees. Together with KEMPER, a comprehensive air pollution control concept was implemented to effectively eliminate welding fumes and grinding dust. The heart of the system is the weld-fill central extraction and filter system. The contaminated air from all extraction elements of all individual workstations is collected in a central ducting system. Whether manual or automated, the extraction elements are precisely matched to the respective processes. For example, RIKA uses 10 cantilevered and smooth-running extraction arms for manual welding workstations. These capture the welding fumes directly at source and ensure that the hazardous substances do not spread into the hall air. In addition, KEMPER installed an individual extraction solution for the stud welding units. So that the surrounding people are not endangered by fine dust, the robot stations were also equipped with extraction technology. 2 suitable large extraction hoods with strips on the side now ensure that the welding fumes do not escape into the environment. And that's not all. A special cyclone separator for coarse dust particles was installed in front of the robot grinding cell. The particles are collected separately in a dust container and thus do not even reach the ducting system. To prevent sparks or other coarse particles from entering the filter system during welding, the KEMPER spark trap is also used. The upstream connection reduces the risk of the filter fire to a minimum and also increases the service life of the filters. To round off the protective welding equipment concept at RIKA, wall partitioning systems from KEMPER are used in addition to the extraction technology. Welding protection strips in red also guarantee the best protection against radiation, spatter and electric arcs.